So this point in the middle, this is 4. It is given that.
Yeah.
So the thing is, how much will be this length if it is an equilateral triangle?
Yeah.
How much will be that? That length will also be 4.
Yeah.
So basically, okay, that's not necessary. I mean, that's not important. So if you extend this like this, it will become a 90.
So this would also be 4.
Well, that is not 4. How much will be this angle?
60.
60.
And this would be 30.
Okay, let's take an alternative approach. Let's say if you join like this, just like I told earlier, this will also be 4, right?
Yeah.
How much will be this angle?
45.
See, this is a 30 degrees because entire angle is 60.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Entire angle is 60, 30 each. So this will also be 30.
Yeah.
So if you drop a hypothum like this,
Yeah.
so this is one triangle, right?
Yeah.
Like that, there are 3 triangles in here. This is the other one, this is the other one, this is the other one.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. You're seeing this?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Well, I think we can come back to this later. Because this like most likely this won't be on the thing.
Okay, why not?
No, because we haven't done much like practice problems on it. And he, like our teacher said like we probably won't have a question like this.
Okay, I'll tell you how to do this quick. So this is 4, right? Hypotenuse is 4.
Yeah.
So 30, 60, 90 means this will be 2 root 3.
Yeah.
This will also be 2 root 3.
Yeah.
So total base is 4 root 3, right?
Yeah.
So half into base into height, right?
Yeah.
Height will be how much? This length, right?
Yeah.
That
Which
is
is
2.
2.
So answer is 4 root 3. This area is 4 root 3. So if you multiply by 3, 1, 2, 3, that will be the total area. 12
Yeah.
root 3. That is the process.
Yeah. So 45, 45, 90. Because you use the theta angle formula. You find that
Maybe it's a
40.
skills.
Yeah. And
So
then
how much?
so the parameter is basically 6 root 2. 24 root 2 is a perimeter.
They are
And then
asking
the area is 3 root 2.
So 6 root 2. How much? 72. Huh?
Yeah.
See, one trick to do this type of questions is write this point there. To find area of regular polygons, quick,
Yeah.
right? To find area of
Yeah.
regular polygons.
Yeah.
So you see this dot in the middle, right?
Yeah.
So join, let's say this is center point. Join the center point right there. Join the center point
Yeah.
with all the vertices. Right this point. Join the
Yeah.
center point or join the point in the middle with all the vertices.
Yeah.
So the entire figure will be divided into, the entire figure will be split into n isosceles triangles.
Yeah.
N means number of sides. Have you written this?
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is a square, right?
Yeah.
So if you join the vertices like this, let's say come to the keyboard. So here is the point, right?
Yeah.
So if you join the vertices like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many triangles are there?
4.
4. 4. These are all isosceles triangles, okay?
Yeah.
So if you find area of one isosceles triangle multiplied by number of sides, the answer is that. In the previous question also we have done something similar. We have joined the vertices, right? You look at this.
Yeah.
Seeing this?
Yeah.
So in this triangle also there is this point. So we have joined vertices first, correct?
Yeah.
So we have tried to find apothem, and then after finding area of single triangle, we multiplied by 3. 4 root 3 into
Yeah.
3, right?
Yeah.
So that is the concept for regular polygon. Equilateral triangle means what? It is also a regular polygon.
Yeah.
So this is the process in general for finding area of regular polygons. Okay.
Wait, so I have a question. So how is 24A like how's the answer 72?
Well, what is the length? 6, right?
Uh the the length the apothem is 3 root 2 and the perimeter is 24 root 2. So
Perimeter is
don't you
not
just
important.
I thought the formula was area times perimeter divided by 2.
See, it's apothem into perimeter divided by 2.
Yeah.
A means apothem here.
Yeah.
Area is
So that's
half AP.
yeah, so
Apothem is how much?
3 root 2.
3 root 2. So half into 3 root 2 into perimeter is
Perimeter is 24 root 2. Yeah.
root 2, right? 24 root 2. So that is why it is 36 into 2, 72. When you get put it in the calculator later. For now, let's move on. Okay.
Yeah.
So area is half AP, or you can follow my method also. Join the vertices, and that is a bit long. So half AP formula is good. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I understand.
Next.
Next one. 24. Wait, so this isn't the apothem, right? Or is it?
It is right. Part B.
Okay, so then
Perimeter is
it's
how
a
much?
45, 45, 90.
Perimeter is how much?
40.
Yes, 40. Good. So can you tell
Okay.
me answer directly? Is it 100? Yeah.
It's a 125.
Half into 5 into 40, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah. How did I get 125? So the apothem is 5. So 5 times 50.
5 times
50.
perimeter was how much?
Oh, 40, 40.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Next. And then
Next.
divided by 2. 5 times 40 divided by 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay, next.
So this one is a 30, 60, 90.
Part C.
So the short angle is 88 root 3 over 3. And then the hypotenuse is 16 root 3 over 3. So then what you want to do is,
Okay, how do you know this was 30, 60, 90?
because you put the theta angle formula.
How much? So which angle is 30? No,
The
is it this one or this
angle,
one?
this one.
So that angle is 180 by n, right? 180 by 6. 30 degrees.
So it's 512, right? Oh no, sorry, I didn't divide that. Wait, so this angle is 8 root 2, right? That's 8 root 3 divided by 3.
That is 8. 8 root 3. I mean 8, right?
Yeah.
This side is 8.
Okay, so I got the answer. 384.
So half into 8 root 3 into
Uh, s- uh, basically the perimeter. So 16 root 3 times 6. So 96 root 3 over 3.
see this length is 8, right?
Yeah.
So 8, 12. Total length is 12, correct?
Yeah.
So 12 6 are 72.
72 root 3.
72 is the perimeter.
Yeah.
This is apothegm. So the answer is 288 root 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.